In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank, credit card, or PayPal account in Zoho Books. This process is straightforward and will streamline the way you manage your finances within this versatile accounting software. So, let's dive right in. First, start by logging into Zoho Books. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar and locate the banking module. This is the central hub where all your financial accounts can be managed. Give that banking icon a click to get started. Now, you'll find yourself on the main banking dashboard, which provides a consolidated view of all your linked accounts. Next, let's focus on adding a new account. Move your eyes toward the top right corner of your screen. See the button there that says Add Bank or Credit Card? Give it a click. This will bring up a menu with different options to connect your financial accounts. At this point, you'll want to decide how you'd prefer to add your account. Zoho Books offers a couple of methods, but a popular choice is to use automatic bank feeds. This is where you choose a bank feeds provider, like Yodlee, Token, or Plaid, depending on your region. These providers help in securely establishing a connection between Zoho Books and your bank to automatically fetch transaction data. Once you've selected your preferred provider, you'll need to search for and select your bank from the list. This is crucial as it enables Zoho Books to communicate directly with your bank. On finding your bank, it's time to enter your login credentials. Rest assured, this step is secure and necessary to establish the connection. After you've entered your details, follow the prompts carefully. You will likely be asked to select the specific accounts you want to connect and possibly a date range for importing transactions, up to the last 90 days, which is helpful for backtracking recent expenses or income. Make sure to verify the default currency of your bank account matches your needs before moving to the next step. Upon reviewing your selections, click on the Continue button. This finalizes your setup and initiates the fetching of your historical feeds. It may take a moment, but after processing, all the chosen accounts transactions will start appearing right within Zoho Books. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a bank, credit card, or PayPal account using automated bank feeds. This integration automatically syncs your transaction data, saving time and reducing manual entry errors. With your accounts linked, managing finances with Zoho Books becomes a lot easier, allowing you to focus more on analyzing the data and gaining insights to grow your business efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on mastering Zoho Books.